Today I'm going to be making like these jelly things or something. It's on TikTok. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like because you guys might be saying, what's the jello things on TikTok? So I'm going to be showing you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So yeah, I'm going to go to the sink because I don't like sometimes if I tie like it too tight, then the jello thing, if I tie it too tight, then it might like squirt all over the place, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna be doing it under the sink because if it does happen, it's gonna go in the sink. Because I was trying to do this the last time and it went all over my bed. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I got it. Hold on, let me just tie it. Now this is what it looks like. Guys, that went so straight down my throat. That went like so fast down my throat. I had to cough so much. Don't mind me. You know how like you drink water and you like do that, and then the water just goes down your throat so fast. I hate when that does that. It makes me cough. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna get the bag. Okay, first get a bag. You can get any bag, like a plastic bag. Well, not like the big bags, but like these. If you could do like a sandwich bag, and yeah, but I like to use these. So first get a bag. So unfortunately, I had to get another bag because when I tried to put water in the other bag, it apparently went because I put it under the sink. And I put like a fresh cup of water in here, and that didn't work. So let's try again. Again, get a bag like this or a sandwich bag. Okay, so as you guys could see, like in here, and like in the bag, you put the water in here. Now, as you can see, I put water in here. And you're gonna tie the end where the water is. You're gonna tie it like that, as you can see, the left part. Then put in your mouth, and then make it pop like that. It keeps happening to me when I do this because, as again, the water goes straight down my throat, which is weird. So yeah, that's how you make the jelly things. But also, you could put like many things inside. You can put like chocolate milk, juice. You don't have to just put water. You can also put jello in there. So yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, see you later. Bye.